Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to send crypto from Kraken. In order to do this procedure, first of all, go ahead and log in into your Kraken account. Once logged in, click the withdraw button, and here you need to go ahead and select the asset that you wish to send. After you're done entering the amount, you need to click on preview withdrawal located right at the bottom. Now moving on to the next step, you need to go ahead and enter in the exact amount, select the receiver's wallet address or copy paste in the wallet address, and here you need to go ahead and click on add address as you're done with that procedure. Then you need to move on with the amount, where you have to go ahead and enter in the exact amount that you are sending and click on the confirm button located right at the bottom. As you're done with that procedure, you need to go ahead and view all of the information that you've provided. If the information seems to be valid enough, then confirm the withdrawal process by tapping on confirm withdrawal, and you've successfully confirmed your withdrawal. So that is how you can send crypto from Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.